guys, and welcome back to Marley's Beauty. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I straighten my hair. It doesn't require a lot of product, and it also doesn't require a lot of time. Who doesn't want to straighten their hair fast and without a lot of products? I do. If you also want to do it, just what? Keep on watching. So like I told you guys in the beginning, we're not using a lot of products and we're not taking a lot of time to do our hair. So in my hair, all I have is heat protection. I'm not going to tell you what heat protection to put. Whatever you guys prefer, just put it. We need a heat protection because we're going to be ironing our hair at around 370 to 350. So you don't want to damage your hair. So whatever heat protection you guys want. Aside from that, the only other product that I use is this argan oil. And that's it. The reason why I don't use a lot of products when I straighten my hair is because when you put a lot of products and straighten your hair, it actually flattens it down. And we don't want that. We're going for that salon fresh look. So that argan oil, some heat protection, and you're good to go. Now, you're going to need some brush, doesn't matter what it is, and something to grab your hair for when you're not doing, like, when you're not straightening it. So when we section it, to like put it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section it. Actually, let me take my ring off. So I'm going to section a little piece from the bottom, like that. And then the rest of the hair, you're going to bring it away from your face. And clip it. Or put it in a ponytail, whatever you guys prefer. Then I section it into two and bring it to the front. I take my brush and brush it out to make sure that there is no knots in it. But I also noticed that when I brush my hair out, it actually makes it easier to straighten. So we're gonna put our ironer on. And we're gonna take small sections. So when you're not straightening a section, you just move it away to the other side and you hold whatever you're gonna straighten. So what I like to do is I like to press hard twice, and after the second time it'll be straight, but you gotta be pressing hard. And then on the third one, you're gonna bring the ironer in. And it doesn't really have to be 2 or 3. I really just do it until the hair looks straight. So we're gonna, as long as it takes for it to look straight. So like right now, this part is straight. So on your last one, bring it in just a little, like that. Okay. Sorry if I'm looking down. My mirror is actually like right here. Like that. And then if you want to like bring them all together and just bring them in together, like that. Okay, so now that we reached the front of our hair, we're gonna section it to the part that you want. So either you want a middle part, a side part, whatever you guys prefer. You're gonna section it. Usually I wear my hair to the side, but like I said, it's whatever you prefer, whether that be the middle or the side. So for today, I'm gonna put my hair on the side. So I'm gonna, like I said, brush it because I find that it makes it easier. And then small sections. I'm gonna straighten it. Just a couple times till you feel that it's straightened. And then on the last one, you curve it in a little. Let me do that again. Couple times till you feel that it's straight. And then on the last one, just curve it in just a little. And then if you want to bring them both together and just do it one more time, it's fine too. This side is done. We have this. So I'm going to brush it. Brush this. I'm gonna do this last, so I'm gonna tuck it away. I'm gonna do these little back hairs. Just like that. You don't want to take big sections because then it will be harder for you to straighten it. So the smaller the section, the better it is. So smaller sections, make sure it's brushed out, no tangles, and then curve it in. One more. And it doesn't have to be 3 times like I said in the beginning. It's whatever times it takes for you to see that, wow, okay, now it's straight. And then that means the last one, I'll curve it in. Done with that. So all the ones that are done with, I'm gonna tie it away. So we can just focus on what's not done. So small sections. And this is the front of your hair, so you want to do it almost perfect because that's what's gonna be visible. Not saying that like the back didn't have to be perfect, but you know, this is the front of your hair. You want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. And if you see that like my hair has a shine, that's from the argan oil that I showed you in the beginning. Whenever I put that, it makes my hair very, very soft, makes it healthy, and then it gives it a shine. And it never weighs down my hair. So never like, you know, like when you put oils and stuff, it feels like your hair is weighed down. Never. So I really, really like it. And it makes your hair grow faster too. So finish the front. And I could have taken like that part in one, like that section could have just been all done together. But it makes it easier when you have smaller sections, and like I said, like this is the front of the hair. So if we have to like break the sections even smaller, we'll do it because make sure it's pretty. All right, we have, where'd this come from? This one? Okay. We have 2 more. All right, so this is our last piece. So do that, and then I'm gonna take my hair out and show you the final result. So what I like to do is that I like to turn it off, and then while it's turned off, it's still gonna be hot. So instead of putting more heat on my hair, what I take is the ironer while it's still like warm, and then I just press on my hair as if like I'm brushing it. So you're gonna press on your hair again, everything inward, and it's off. It's like I'm just using the heat from it. Alrighty, and that's it. Nice and straight. It didn't take time. It exactly took me 25 minutes to do this, and I have a lot of hair, and also my hair is not straight, like it has a little curl to it. If you guys want me to do another video, by the way, of how I make my hair not so curly, so when I straighten it, it doesn't take so much time for me, just let me know down in the description, and I'll definitely post a video of like once I come out the shower what I do to my hair to make sure that it's not as curly, so when it dries and I straighten it, it doesn't require me a lot of work. Also, I don't like to put blow dry. I don't like to blow dry my hair. I like it to air dry because that's less heat and less products that you're putting in your hair. So I just leave it to air dry. So if you want to see how I come out the shower and leave it to air dry and not be as curly, just let me know in the description and I'll show you exactly what I do. But as of now, for this video, it's my hair. And like I said, the shine comes from this oil. That's it. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, all you have to do is give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to Marley's Beauty, subscribe to Marley's Beauty. Now, Marley Beauty is out.